Hello everyone and welcome back to another day of 100 days of making comics. Today is day 15 and I am very tired. So I'm going to go ahead and answer one remaining question I have, and it's from I'm Zapper. And then I'm going to have some music. So yeah. I'm Zapper asks, if you were to meet your favorite artist, what question would you ask them? Tell us the reasoning behind it. So I have several favorite artists. I don't know what questions I would ask. Currently, the question I would ask, not even necessarily to my favorite artist, but to some more prolific artists online, is how did you get your start as a freelance artist? Like a successful freelance artist. Currently, I work a 9 to 5, which sometimes is, well, always is 8:30 to 5:30, and sometimes is a 7:30 to 7:30, and find it very difficult to do my own art on the side as well. Just doing this 100 days of comics is exhausting me more than I can actually explain, and that primarily has to do with the fact that I go to work, and instead of doing creative things, we have to do a lot of administration, and we have to do so much when it comes to grading, marking, preparing for the next class, teaching the class, telling your students how to get better and what they need to do, that a lot of my actual skills are starting to rot. I think primarily my question for a artist that I have as a favorite artist would be, how do you leave? How do you have a job that is freelancing doing what you love? And how do you keep motivated when you are transitioning from working all day to freelancing, doing something that you love? I hope that answers your question and has a little bit of reasoning behind it. I am currently greatly enjoying what I am doing when it comes to 100 Days of Comics, and I'm finding that if I was able to spend my days making comics or art or YouTube videos, I would be able to create so much more content than I'm making now. And I hate to answer my own question, but I think a lot of what it comes down to is perseverance when it comes to creating art, making what you love, and having the time to make it, making the time to make it. And I'm trying so hard to make the time to make it right now, but God, I am so tired. I came home from work today, I ate my dinner, and I fell asleep on the couch. When I woke up, I told my wife it was on purpose so that I would be able to do my art for 100 Days of Comics. And really, I was so tired that I passed out, and if she hadn't have woken me up so that she could go to bed, I would have just slept through the night. I am happy that I did tonight's 100 Days of Comics though. I have one more page almost completed. As I mentioned yesterday, I am in the inking phase, so some of the pages are going to be a little bit more complex than I originally planned. I am playing around a little bit with different textures and creating those textures on paper, so that's going to take me much longer than I earlier anticipated. So instead of spending an hour on the painting process, which I thought that's all it would take, I'm probably going to end up spending about 2 hours on the painting process, which means a total of 3.5 hours per page is going to have been used from start to finish, which I don't think is necessarily terrible, but I was really aiming to pare that down to something like 2.5 hours per page. Okay. Anyway, I hope that answers your question. I'm sorry for a little bit of the rambling, and I'm sorry for a little bit of digression there. If any of you have any more questions for me, go ahead and feel free to ask. My dad, Lex, asks why I am so awesome. I am so awesome because I am made of moonlight and stardust and wishes that have been unanswered. I am made of 100,000 concepts that have not yet come into being. I am both natural and supernatural, and that is why I am so awesome. Thanks, Dad.
To the Won't you take me all the way tonight? We should head on back before the day breaks. There's a shadow race and all the heartaches. Only you and I will last forever. There's a power when we stand together. And I can see you on the other side. Won't you take me all the way tonight? I can see you, feel you. I can see you tonight. I wrote to you a simple text, reminiscing about the time when we first met. I don't know what is good enough, 'cause baby, little by little you wear me down. Little by little my actions won't be forgiven. I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours. Sincerely yours. I still haven't heard anything from you. You say love is a fool, and so I am too. I really don't know if it's good enough, 'cause baby, little by little you wear me down. Little by little my actions won't be forgiven. I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours. Wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours. Sincerely yours. funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer. But when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all those things that people say when they are running YouTube channels. I hope you are having a wonderful day, wherever you are, whenever it is. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.